Hi everyone, it's Maria again. It's cooking time now. Tara na!
Do you want to know?
Ingredients for our beef pares are, of course, beef, garlic and onion, oyster sauce and soy sauce, black pepper and sugar, tara anise and cornstarch, 4 cups of water, sesame oil. For our fried rice, garlic and ham, mixed vegetables, spring onion, salt, 2 eggs, and of course, the cooked rice. Now our casserole is already hot. We can now add the oil and add garlic, onion, add the beef. Add now the soy sauce. Pepper. And the oyster sauce. And now we put the 4 cups of water. Now it's already boiling. You can now add the star anise. On low heat and slow cook for 1 hour. After 1 hour, set aside some of the broth for pairing or to make a soup when it's served. And now we can add the sugar. And add cornstarch to make your sauce slurry or according to your preference. And finally, add the sesame oil. And now it's cooked and ready for serving. Saute garlic until golden brown and then set aside. We already set aside the garlic. Now we need to scramble the eggs. And then put aside. And fry the ham on the same pan. And set aside as well. We will do the same with the vegetable. And set aside. We can now fry the rice on the same pan. Add salt. And add all the ingredients. The egg, ham, and the vegetable. And mix thoroughly. And then add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, but this is optional. Now it's already cooked and we can now remove from the heat. Add the spring onion. And mix well. Ayan! Luto na ang ating beef pares. Kain tayo! Ayan! Natapos na naman tayo sa ating pagluluto. Okay? Always remember to pray bago matulog at sa paggising sa umaga. God bless you all! Bye!